Hi, this is 2008 Lexus ES350. Due to the water pump leak, severe water pump leak, the gentleman, I guess, this engine blew the head gasket. You can tell all the pink color all over the water pump. And he did not notice that, so this engine is bust, all right? So we drop the engine, the whole thing, all right? This, basically, you gotta remove the battery and the battery bracket first. Then remove the intake L box, all right? These are intake L box. Then you remove the fan, the upper, lower coolant hose. Those all gotta go, all right? These. And then you remove the exhaust. Look at the pipe right here, all right? You remove this exhaust pipe, all right? Once you remove that, now you gotta start unplug all these wire cables, all right? And while you are on it, at the bottom, you gotta lose 6 of the bolt connect to the transmission right on the flywheel there, all right? That's connect to the torque converter. So once you lose that and the 4 bolt underneath, all right? Once you lose that, later on, you can lose the top one here easy, all right? There's a dowel pin on it, so just few left, all right? So basically it's, yeah, couple here on the side. There, yeah, so right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already removed those 2. So once you got that, you can separate the engine, okay, to the transmission. This is the transmission on this side, all right? First, you unhook all the plugs. Then you have to clear. You got to remove the transmission cable, all right? This is right here, this one, all right? You unbolt it, and there's a transmission plate right here. You got to pull it up so you can lose the cable and the router behind the rack and pinion, okay? And then overall the key was you lose the rack and pinion bolt, and you lose the bolt for the CV axle, and the under control arm bolt, 3 of them. So you separate one side, clear. Look, this is the sway bar link. You lose the top one, and this. So basically, got no connection to your rotor and the strap, okay? And this side, you do the same thing, okay? You lose the center bolt, you lose this outer tie rod bolt, and this one, because it's seized, so I gotta cut it. This one need a new one. So once you've done all that, and make sure you clear, okay, the power steering line, this one, all right? Make sure you disconnect the top one here, all right? And the lower one on the bracket here, this is another trick right there. That's the metal piece, connect to here. If you don't drop this, you're gonna break this line, okay? Right there, okay. Once you disconnect all these, it's time ready to drop this. If you got a, bigger machine or transmission, those kind of lift, you can use that. I have this custom-made box, okay, wood box. It dropped everything on it, and I can walk on it. All right, that's how you do it. That's how I do it, by the way, okay? Overall, this is some idea. That's a long way to go, all right? You gotta take the whole engine out. He wanted to put a 2010 engine on it with a lot less mileage. This one is about 180,000 miles already. So basically, if you want to just change the the head gasket is not gonna work. You're gonna do a lot of things because it's all starting deteriorating. No matter what, this is a 15 years old car with 180,000 miles. So could have go for a few more years, but I guess it didn't check that coolant. Look, that water pump. That's amazing. Look at that leak all over it. Well, because the design different than the German car. German car you can see, or you have a coolant sensor in the reservoir. They will tell you right away you're low. Japanese car, no, because also is covered by all the plastic to make it look good for the Lexus. And you don't see that radiator cap should be filled because he just keep looking at the reservoir. Reservoir still got some, so he just keep adding it and not enough because the leak is a lot faster than he poured it in. So that's what happened. All right, this is gonna be many hours job. Okay. And if you want to do that on your any car, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, good luck. Okay? Just be patient. Thank you for watching.